old songs on here.
Then stop taking pictures because we didn't shower. They rang in the New Year. They didn't shower. They're still wearing the same clothes.
Sour and sweet. So it's like
it's neutral. It's just right. You know, it's like not over.
Yeah, so I guess it's one of those that forced and with the weather. So they were like almost freeze of burn. It's messed up.
There's a difference, Nick, is you don't have enough controllers for Xbox 360.
You don't need any controllers for Kinect.
Oh. Go, you go.
Come on, Nick. You can do this.
I'm just gonna dance just to dance.
Yeah. Sure.
So I can practice.
Malagog ko mo.
Oh wait,
Why?
he's taping. I'm gonna throw that on YouTube. What the heck?
Come on, Nick. Get up. Come on, Nick.
They have some old songs on here, huh?
That's good, yeah. It's fun.
They're gonna have the jitterbugs.
Imagine Auntie Annie dancing to that song.
This one, the Monster Mash? Wow, Auntie Annie's really old. I'm just kidding. You're younger than Junior, right?
yeah, like 2 years or something.
How old is he?
No.
How old is he?
How old are you?
He's 22, right?
Okay, so a year younger.
Wait.
He's 22.
Oh, yeah, you're a year younger. When did you turn 44?
Me?
Oh, you guys are just like months apart. Like 6 months. Annie, did you try these?
Which one? Yeah, I tried the shrimp.
Did you try the puto?
I don't like people.
Huh?
She's a different.
That's why I don't eat dinuguan. That's why, because I don't like puto. I don't like puto. I don't eat dinuguan.
Puto and dinuguan are the best combination.
It's like the best.
Yeah, together. Have you had this together with dinuguan? It's the best combination.